Thank you. So I joined Nassau Candy in 2009, and at the time I joined it, it was my family's business, but it was a regional confectionery company. And our goal was to take our regional confectionery business and to transform it into a national brand and a national business. And the way we did it, I believe, has some lessons that are broadly applicable for college students here today. So number one, we had a vision. We sat down with a piece of paper as a family, as a group, and we said, who do we want to be in 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years? Number two, we executed. You know, a vision is nothing. It's just a piece of paper without executing. And so we put our heads down and we said, day by day, how do we advance the ball? How do we take care of our customers? How do we do a little bit better? Number three, team. You know, when you're in college, you're very singularly focused on yourself and your own accomplishments, but you learn that a business is only as good as the people around you. So surround yourself with great people, take care of them, lead with empathy, help them become better, and they in turn will make you better. And last but not least, smile. Every single day, work hard, try to make a difference, but come home and realize life's a journey and have fun doing it. Thank you.